Alright, so Instagram just launched 2 new features. Stay tuned. What's going on, everyone? Today is Biz Tuesday, where I share with you guys the best social media marketing tips to help you guys grow your brand and your business. It's not as consistent now, but I'm aiming to create as much videos as I can for this particular day on my channel. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of other stuff that I share on the other days. Just really backlogged on editing right now, so I'm really just trying to catch up. And when it comes to updates like this is something I really want to try to create immediately and post, because updates are only relevant for for so long. And as I'm going through all the information, all the content, if you like it, make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe. The interactions that we have, give me feedback on what kind of content you guys like and don't like, so that way I can keep creating the videos that really matter to you. Anyways, today is an update video. So recently Instagram rolled out a feature so you can buy in the app, and you might have seen this already. People who might have handbags or certain products on their posts, you can see that you have the option to actually purchase it. Now Instagram has taken it up to the next level, where you can actually do purchases in the stories, very much like how Snapchat is doing it. It only makes sense because stories are killing it, so why not leverage it? And considering how fast it's grown from 0 in 2016 to 300 million in a matter of a year, I mean, so that means if you got t-shirts, tees, fitness products, music, whatever you're trying, you can leverage it not only on your posts but also on your stories. They're pretty much allowing you to make a store within Instagram so that the people who are on it never have to leave. It's very similar to how Facebook has Facebook Marketplace, where you can sell products on your Facebook page. The second update is you can now add mentions and hashtags in the bio. And this is great because your bio is such great real estate to give people an idea of what your brand is about, what your story is about, how your profile benefits them. That means if you have your own unique hashtags, you can add that there, which is pretty much just all the posts that are relevant to your brand. Or if you have other businesses that you want people, that you want to funnel people to. For example, I have 2 other profiles that I manage. I have How to Breakdance For Beginners, which is all dedicated to teaching people how to breakdance, and the second profile is Vision Paradox, which is my social media company where we share. I can now add those handles into my bio so I can get other people who are really curious about it to those other pages. This is great if you have more than one account. I mean, there's so many possibilities that you can do with this, just this slight change in the bio. You can add shout out winners. So you can pick the best comment within the first 5 minutes and then give them a shout out of the day on your Instagram profile. That's one way to just get more engagement on your content. You can add not just your unique hashtag. My unique hashtag is Move Groove Grow. You can hashtag your location and occupation. So that means you can add hashtag Los Angeles, hashtag Chicago, hashtag, I don't know, Houston, and then you can also additionally put hashtag photographer, hashtag dancer, or you can combine a hashtag LA dancer, hashtag Houston photographer. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with it. You've just got to be creative. And I got to give props where props is due real quick. That last tip about hashtag locations is from Jade Dharmawangsa. She's an amazing millennial entrepreneur. I just wanted to give her props on that tip right there. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's one more update or 2 is that Instagram just changed their algorithm. Actually, they announced it earlier this Thursday as in, it's a video game. Thursday as in March 22nd. So one of the biggest things that a lot of people have been complaining about with Instagram is the algorithm. Facebook's been criticized for this too, like where you're scrolling through your feed and you're seeing a post that you liked 2 weeks ago, or you see a post from your friend that was shared a month ago. And a lot of people have found this frustrating and annoying because they want to see more updated and new content from their friends. The whole purpose of a lot of people hopping onto these social media platforms to begin with is so they can kind of cyber stalk and keep up with their friends and family. It's because of social media that my mom found out about my sister's tattoos and had a whole freak out about that. The original intent for the algorithm change was so that we are seeing content that we we are most likely to engage in, or most likely that we're interested in, based off, you know, other people sharing interest in it. Because I think they're aiming to avoid a very loud and scattered newsfeed. They didn't want you seeing posts that you just didn't care about. But now it's to another extreme where you're just seeing the same posts that, while it does have good engagement, it's getting redundant. Now I think they've dialed it back a little bit where the algorithm isn't so like dictating too much. What you're definitely going to be seeing more is the newer content from your friends. So they're not exactly going back to a chronological feed. So I think they're just aiming to go for a nice middle ground where it's like they're sharing the new posts, and at the same time they're prioritizing new posts with great engagement. And they're going to continue tweaking the algorithm as we go along. The upside is that we're not going to see the same posts over and over again, even though we liked it, you know, a month ago. And the second update is a new feature called New Posts. Something that I just saw recently as well in the app is instead of Instagram automatically reloading your newsfeed, you have the power and the choice to reload it when you want. So this is pretty useful. Say there's a post that your friend shared, and you accidentally exit the app, and then you open the app again, and it automatically reloads, and the post that your friend shared is no longer found. You have to scroll through it, or you have to go to your friend's profile and look for it yourself. And this is just one perspective of it. I'm pretty sure there's going to be other uses for it, but this is how like I find it useful for myself. Alright, so that's it. I just found out about these updates today, and I just had to add it to this update video because I didn't want to make another update video after I just made another update video. Yeah, so as mentioned in a previous update video, Instagram or all these social platforms are always looking to improve their product because they want you to stay on their platform longer, which is why Facebook and Instagram added the algorithm, because they wanted to improve your experience. People may bitch and whine about it, but a lot of people are still staying with it. So my biggest advice when it comes to these changes is that you gotta adjust with it. You gotta roll with the punches, because, you know, that's just life. That's one thing that's guaranteed, is that things are going to change. And if you're too romantic to how things were, if you're too attached to it, you're too attached to a tactic, you're too attached, if you're any of that, you're gonna lose out on opportunity. You close off yourself to any opportunity of growth. And that's the thing with these changes. They happen so frequent and so often that it keeps businesses, brands on their feet. They can't rest on their laurels for too long, otherwise they miss out. That means everyone has to constantly innovate. Everyone has to constantly up their game. And I think that's what a lot of these changes kind of represent. How willing are you to reinvent and get better with what you love? And before I head off, actually, one question is, what do you guys think of these changes? Does it excite you? Are there any ideas that you have that you're gonna do in regards to either the more e-commerce selling side or the hashtag that mention side? I mean, if you don't want to share your ideas, I get it, but I would love to hear from you guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share with friends who you think might benefit from it, and make sure you hit the notification button so you guys get the latest and greatest tips on social media and business. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.